Hey, welcome to this channel. My name is Datta Tule. I am an IT professional turned into digital growth strategist and online marketer. I have been coaching over more than 10,000 clients across the India on getting customer online, getting quality lead, converting them into a paying customer and growing your business online. So basically what we'll be learning from you channels, like how to get quality customer online, how to build like high converting funnels, how to build business online, how to transform your business from offline to online. So basically I will be sharing so many content on this channel. So I want to welcome for this channel first of all. So basically why you should learn. I have been coaching for this online space more than now 4 years, and I keep sharing like valuable content on how to get quality customer, Facebook advertising, online influence building, online coaching, and funnel building, and so many strategies. So you will be keep learning and lot of success stories. That is the part. The first thing is one thing: if you want quality lead, quality customer and win online, because the world has changed and now there is a lot of crowd of like whom to follow, whom not to follow. If you are looking for that one-stop solution, learning like strategic content, this is the place at right time. You are here. Okay, beside this one I keep sharing so many new content, like every Tuesday 10 p.m. and every Friday 10 p.m. regular contents. Okay, so if you want to learn all those things, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Okay, so see you in the upcoming video. Thank you very much.